elections there in Ghana after 7 December, there are people who know the true men and women of God in Ghana, and people whom they must listen to. Not about anybody partisan position, but about what is in the system, what is in the spiritual realm, and what the vibration brings after the 2020 elections. It's between NDC and MPP, everybody knows that. But as to who will win, nobody knows. I'll tell you something, here and here. In the realm of the spirit, after I was meditating on the Lord for a while, I saw that a great man of God in Ghana, a great man of God, he's a senior prophet, well known, a great and a senior man of God, that if you want to mention the name of prophet in Ghana, it will be the first to come in mind. Here, from the vibration I picked, this great man of God, I saw him holding 3 doves. Listen and listen to it, 3 doves. This great man of God was standing in the presence of God, holding 3 doves. And the doves were taken out of him. And the doves were given to another young man of God. He's not young. I saw it clear. It was given to him. I saw Najegezi, that they gave him these doves. And they put Najegezi, Prophet Najegezi, they put him on this kingship stool in the spirit. I picked the vibration and I started to watch carefully. And I saw a mantle was given to him in the spirit realm. They gave him a mantle, they put it on his neck, and they put him on the seat. And the doves were handed over to Najegezi. But what I saw, this great man of God is still a great prophet of God. You can never doubt his prophecies. But I'm speaking on authority today. My name is Enoch, the satellite. Write it and tag anybody. That there is a shift in the spirit. There is a shift in the spirit. A shift. Please share this video. Share this video. This is serious. There is a shift in the spirit that nobody knows. And if each and every person will be faithful to himself, this man of God, he knows it. And Bible says the Lord will not do anything without revealing to his prophet. So the Lord will give you certain revelation for you to pray about. This thing that they say we should not touch our faces is a serious thing. And play a final game with players with angels. A player who has an angel that injuries, they have injuries, they are not fit to play. Don't go to this final game with such players, because you are bound to be careful. I said MPP Muntie, I say so final game piano. You need players who are fit to play this game. If you go with players who are not fit, you have problem. A word to a wise is in the north. Careful. Careful. So get deep and get this word. Share this video. Here, in whom I can see clear. A and B, NDC has taken all those regions. A and B, NDC has won massively. A and B, hey, NDC has won massively there. A and B. Jesus Christ. Here, NDC, A and B, they've won. This is not calculated. I'm just picking the signals. NDC has won massively. A and B. And I pick signal in Eastern region. MPP is their stronghold, I know. But this MPP has won about 98% there. That's great. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. But this year's election 2020, I'll have a time of declaring woman. But I'm giving you, anytime I come, I'll be giving you the regions who is taking. Now, as I'm talking to you, NDC have 2 regions dominated, the 2BA. If they have 2BA, because I see BA2, I think they have 2 now. Taken by NDC, and Eastern region, MPP won 98%. I see myself in the Greater Accra region. Habala. I see myself in the Greater Accra region, and NDC won 60%, and people had 40%. Here, the satellite I'm talking, NDC won 60% of the seat in the Greater Accra, and people won 40%, and people watch out. I go to Axim, and I see a young guy, Kofi Noku and Madam Catherine Afieku of the MPP. And here anything that is happening has implication on their president. This Kofi, it's NDC, and this Honorable Catherine Afieku, the Minister of State. I see the woman lady now. I see the woman lady. And I see around 9:30 on the 7th December 2020, around 9:30. Before 10, I saw that this MP woman was losing vote coming from the north was please share, vote coming from the north of Evara Job of Jura was reducing the woman vote. But the woman stands tall in this battle. So the woman must not underrate this boy. He must not underrate this boy, because the boy comes with some kind of those good friends in Axim. You know me, if I'm speaking, you understand. So each and everybody should do his job very well. Honorable Catherine, this is Enoch speaking, the satellite. So you are leading, but it's very shaky. So do your things well. This guy Kofi, you are not losing, because you are doing very well. So push. It's a good battle. Whoever won, I've stayed with this guy. He's my junior. So Kofi, who need the fruit of the womb, that they have stayed years, they are not having children. It's a year that the vibration shows that you are going to have children. No matter how devastated your situation is, God is bringing a restoration to you, no matter what the situation has been. Those who need the fruit of the womb, you have stayed with your husband for years after marriage, no child. Today, I'm giving you this promise that this year is a year that there will be joy in your home. It's a year that you are going to smile. It's a year that you are not going to be mockery to the society, but the society will celebrate you. To get this, it's a year that you are going to be happy. You are going to be happy, because no matter the situation, things are going to be balanced. I said the other time, get 3 oranges, 1 apple. Get it. Go to our page. See, there is a number, the WhatsApp us. I will tell you what to do. I'll tell you what to do. God, it's a year of compensation. A year of compensation. Children are being sharing the spirit. Children are being sharing the spirit. Children are being sharing the spirit. And it's going to bring peace, joy in homes. It's going to bring peace and joy in the spirit. And homes are going to. And I picked the signal from Efiekuma. This woman has a baby girl. A baby girl. This is Takrady in Ghana. This Takrady in Ghana. This woman has a baby girl. And 6 years now, the baby has not walked before. Always sitting down. But when I was meditating, I saw healing for this baby girl. Please share. I saw healing for this baby girl in Takrady. Please share. I'm encouraged that is increasing nicely. I saw, please share for us. I saw this baby in Takrady, if you come 6 years. The baby cannot walk. Our friends were this 6 years on to menante. You won't water from sa. But me you want me church of man. And I told my cousin, yes, I'm sure who said, our friend, you're sending a Yarasama Saba. There's a healing for that baby girl in Takrady. If you come now, my team, I didn't see a friend, Mama Fia. I wrote it down. And I just sat there, yeah, my Saba friend. So let's share the video. Confirm what I can share the video. If you come and I'm planning. If you come and I'm planning. If you come, the person is in. If you come in Takrady. If you come in Takrady. If you come in Takrady. Yeah.